Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on cleaning your RC after you've done some bashing and how to do that without water. Check it out. Alright, so there's a couple different reasons why you would want to do this without water. One is that if you're in a climate where winter season is cold, you're not going to want to go outside and get this truck all wet. In some cases, you might not even have water that's flowing through the hose because it might be so cold it's freezing out. So for that reason, if you're bashing in the winter, that can be a good reason to want to clean it indoors without water. Another reason is just that parts can rust more easily the more water you put on them. And so this is a quick way to do it without water. This is only for trucks that are like mildly dirty. You wouldn't want to try this method with a truck that's coated with mud, for example. So this truck is a good example of what I'm talking about in terms of dirty but not too dirty. It's got some grease and dirt packed around the bulkhead there, and you know, it's just got some dust and stuff from some mild bashing. So this approach should work pretty well with this, and we'll see how it does on these areas. The first thing you're going to need is this foaming crystal simple green. All right, it has to be the foaming crystal kind, not just the regular simple green. Simple green is a good cleaning product for RC cars in general, but I found that this stuff is the kind that really digs in and cleans aggressively, and you can use it without water. So it's a little tricky to find this stuff. Amazon, for example, usually has it in bulk. So you can buy a lot of it, but you're going to pay 50 or 60 bucks for a pack of it. But if you look hard enough, you can find other places. I think like Home Depot and Lowe's sells these in single cans and for like 8 bucks or something. So get yourself some of this. That's the first step. And the second thing you're going to need is an air compressor, just like this. I use this rigid compressor, but really it can be any one you have. And the last thing you're going to need is some paper towels. You want to just spray it in there good in all the areas that are dirty and just let it do its thing. You can see it foams up nice. It's okay to get it in here, especially if you have your receiver closed up tightly. That goes for any kind of cleaning. Now I'm going to turn on the air compressor and spray this off. Alright, so use the air compressor to blow it all down, and look at this. A lot of the dirt is gone. There's still a little dirt left in there if you really look, and for those hard to reach places you might use an old toothbrush or something to really scrub if you want to get it really clean. For today's purposes, I just wanted to show you sort of how it is with the easiest approach. You know, it doesn't give like a sheen on it. You might need other cleaning products for something like that, but for this purpose it got away a lot of the dirt. And so while we're at it, one last tip to give when it comes to cleaning and maintaining your vehicles to make them last as long as you can is to use WD-40 on the bearings and some of the metal moving parts, and not just any WD-40. You want to use this kind. Specialist silicone quick drying WD-40. You don't want to use this regular WD-40 on bearings especially, because it can actually wash away the grease on the bearings and destroy them more quickly. It also can attract dirt. It's an oil-based product, so it pulls dirt into it, and so you'll notice that after bashing, if you use this stuff, you'll get gunk and dirt all packed in there. If you're going to use this, I would use it on plastic, which can make it shine better, or if you want to prevent rust on certain bolts and stuff. Otherwise, stay away from this stuff. It's much better to use this silicone quick drying on bearings and other parts like that. Give it a spray in there. I like to do these bearing points and get so they don't get too much dirt in there, and they operate so it operates a lot better. I just would say anytime you clean your vehicle, you want to give it a good spray with this stuff on those points, and it should keep it running smooth and with less rolling resistance. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a like or a comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, do it now. Take care, see you in the next video. Thanks.